There are many challenges in push systems that companies face when trying to meet the needs of their customers. Everything from complexities of forecasting your customer demand, lot sizing, costs, waste, and how to understand when you should pull are major factors to consider. Over the next few modules, we will look at each of these challenges as we start to gain not only a deeper understanding of the challenges that are associated with production, but also why a pull system can solve many of these challenges. With this in mind, we'd like to ask you a question. What's your biggest challenge when manufacturing or producing? We look forward to reading all your answers, and we'll see you in the next module as we dig into some of the more obvious challenges that you may face in a production environment. See you soon.